Hi guys, how's it going? I'm Paris. Welcome to my channel. If you're new, make sure you hit that like and subscribe button and turn on the bell to get notifications. So today I'm going to go see my friend and we're just gonna hang out. I'm hoping you guys can see this too, just so you can see what I'm seeing. So creepy. I wanna make sure you guys can see what I'm seeing. This is kind of scary. I really hate driving at night. But I think I want to stop for Timmy's first. It's a red light, so... Okay. Guys, it's snowing, I think, right? Wow. It's actually snowing. I'm not a huge fan of snow. Come on. I gotta get to my friend's place. Whew, I'm really anxious. I'll try to call my friend and see if my friend can stay on the phone with me while I drive. Come on, pick up your phone. Guys, my friend's not picking up their phone. What do I do? Okay, I guess I can talk to you guys. So, how was your Thanksgiving? I think I had a good one. I had like mashed potatoes and like chicken because I don't do like turkey for like Thanksgiving. I do like chicken, and for Christmas then like my family does like, then we do like the big turkeys and stuff, you know. Oh wow, it's so cold. You can see it's really cold because like my windows were like all frosted. Gotta put my signal on, and I want to check for like some Tim beads or something because it's advertising it. Guys, this is so scary. Maybe I should just not come here. What am I thinking? I really hate being here. I really hate being here so late. Like, they look open. I don't know. Guys, it's so abandoned. Like, guys, this Tim Hortons is super abandoned. Well, there's like one car in the driveway, right? Guys, I'm gonna turn around. I don't want anything attacking me. What was that? What the frick? Is there someone in that car? My camera won't focus. Maybe this is like a scary like area. Guys, okay, it's got back in focus, but I'm not gonna stay here. I'm gonna go see my friend. I'm gonna leave, guys, because I want to stay like safe, you know. Okay. Oh my god, I'm gonna book it. I can't do this. I gotta get out of here. This is too much for me. Why did I come? I gotta get the frack out of here. Tim Hortons is not worth it. I'll get this like when it's like brighter, because I guess morning technically, but it's like night or something. There's no lights or anything, but I don't want to be here by myself at this time, so I might just come back with my friend or something. I don't even know, but all I know is I am not staying here, guys, because I don't know, I heard a noise and then I saw something and I think something was on my car, but I'm too scared to look, so gotta book it. I'm driving as fast as I can because I can't do this. I think it's harder for me to be out at this time, but yet I keep doing this to myself. It was worth it because it was for you guys. Oh my god, guys, that was such a close call. Like, I came back from seeing my friend like not too long ago, but I had to hide out with him, and I know it's like 3 in the morning now, but I thought I could hide out and then just get home and I'd be safe, but I'm hearing like knocking at the door, so I'm wondering, should I get it? Should I answer it or should I not? What do you guys think? Like, do you think I should look around and see what's happening? Do you think like someone was following me? Because I feel like someone was following me. I'm not sure who it was. I didn't actually get to see who this person was, but it's kind of creepy. So I think I'm gonna do it. I think I'm gonna go off and I'm gonna see who on earth was actually at my door right now at this time, and maybe if someone was actually following me, like if they followed me home, if they followed me here, or if like it was all in my mind and I think that someone, yeah, I keep hearing a door. Okay guys, I'm gonna go do this. Woo, I hope it's not like someone crazy, you know? What's that? I don't see anything. Maybe I should go a little further. Is anyone there? I don't see anyone. What's that? Why is it on my car? What the frack? Is that Barney? Did someone order something? It looks like it's just a doll. Guys. Wow, it looks like a harmless doll. Okay, I'm just gonna go take it in, guys. Make sure no one's looking for me or at me. Okay. I don't see anybody. What the frack? Okay, I heard something. I'm gonna go inside. Okay. Oh my God. Okay, guys. So I investigated and I found this doll. It's like Barney, right? Like, this can't be the same one that attacked me, right? I mean, it's impossible because Barney hasn't bothered me in so long. And those of you who have been watching, you've been seeing that Barney's been attacking me in the past, and it's been like 3 a.m. or like in the woods or whatever. But I don't think this is the same doll. I feel like this is a different Barney. So maybe it's not crazy. But you know what, guys? I kind of want to see what's inside Barney. What do you guys think? Like, should I open Barney up? It's been unsuccessful, and I know it's like 3 in the morning and it's never gone right, but maybe I should open Barney and see what's inside. Okay, but I'm gonna have to tape him down just in case like this is the same Barney and it's the crazy one. And if it is, like maybe I can see what's inside of him and see like what's making him crazy, what's making him like attack me. But if it's like a different Barney, maybe it's like, I don't know, like I just want to see what on earth is inside of it. So let's do this. Whew. I'm so scared, guys, because it's never gone right so far, you know? Okay, so yeah, I'm gonna cut up Barney now. Let's do this. Oh my God. Guys, I think my tree just turned on. And guys, what the frack? I didn't even have it on. That's insane. That's so scary. Okay, anyway, enough of the shenanigans. I'm gonna cut Barney open and hopefully this thing won't attack me this time. Guys, this is always like the hardest part to tape them down. And as you can see, I have my little trusty weapon with me. Stay down. What's going on? Oh my God. What the? Stay down. Oh my God. Ah! Barney! Barney! The fuck? I even cut you off. Stay back. Oh my God. You're all crazy. You're all crazy. Get in there. Oh my God, that's insane. Why he was attacking me? Oh my God. Okay, so yeah, some of you guys have been asking why I haven't cut open a doll yet. This is why. They keep waking up or gaining consciousness or whatever the fuck it is. I'm not even sure what's happening. All I know is that they keep coming at me. I have to keep knocking them out one by one. I don't know why they keep attacking me. Like, I'm just trying to see what's inside, you know? I haven't done anything to them, I don't think. And he somehow got to my house. So was this like something I ordered by mistake? Is this guy the same Barney as last time? I mean, I have no idea. I can't even answer that for you guys because I know sometimes like you never really know. Like, I mean, I watched a few Chucky movies and oh my God, I think a few of the Chucky dolls came to life. It wasn't just one. So maybe that's the same thing in this case. Maybe there's more than one Barney and they're all crazy at 3 a.m. or they're just all crazy and they don't kind of like Toys R Us, like they kind of don't move until like you're not looking, but he was moving, right? Like maybe in dire circumstances they'll show you who they are. I mean, Toy Story did have like that Sid creature. Anyway, guys, I digress. But if you haven't done so already, make sure you hit that like and subscribe button and turn on the bell to get notifications just to stay posted on like how I'm doing and stuff like that. Woo! Okay, I'm a little shocked. I may just run away to my friend's place. Maybe I'll do it at my friend's place, like any of these cutting open dolls or whatever they are. Like I might just do it at my friend's place to have backup next time. Who knows? I mean, it depends on how I feel, because sometimes I'm too tired to go over and drive. Priesters out.